Welcome back to another episode of Cooking with Bruce. Today we have something that's really special and delicious. My take on lamb curry. This is something that I've been using over the years. I'm not sure how accurate it is, but it is good and not too hard to make as long as you have the trusty Instapot. So first things first, let's go through the ingredients we're going to be using today. 1 5-pound leg of lamb, ginger. This is in a ginger squeeze bottle, but you can use a whole ginger if you want. Beef stock, onion, 9 cloves of garlic, tomato paste, and 1 can of diced tomatoes. For the spices today, we're going to go 2 tablespoons of salt, 2 tablespoons of curry powder, a teaspoon of coriander, teaspoon of turmeric, a teaspoon of Garam Masala, and 2 bay leaves. We're going to start off with the aromatics. I've got 9 cloves of garlic and my trusty ulu. Next up, we're going to do the onion. This is probably one of my favorite quick meals to cook with an Instapot. You get tender lamb out of it. It's delicious. And I've been craving leg of lamb currently. Chop, 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 chop. So we start off with 9 cloves of chopped garlic. 1 whole chopped, rough chopped onion. Now we're going to cut up a 5-pound leg of lamb. And the reason we're cutting the leg of lamb up today is because we want this to cook quicker. The reason I like lamb so much, it's got that gamey, lamby taste. And I mean, it just goes rock star with some curry seasoning. And we're not trying to do anything pretty here. We're just going to cut it up so it fits all in the Instapot with a little bit of liquid. All right, almost done. 5 pounds of lamb are done now. So we're just going to take the 5 pounds of cut lamb, start tossing it in the Instapot. Woo! Escape lamb. So we're going to start off with our can of diced tomatoes. 1 can of tomato paste. Get all the tomato paste. Don't forget the ginger. 3 tablespoons of ginger in here. There you go. Love getting the ginger squeeze. It's a lot easier than doing it yourself. We're going to have some liquid in here. About 2 cups of beef stock. Always adding flavor when we can. I don't have any homemade stock on hand, so it's just fine to buy stuff from the store. I almost forgot about one of the most important things. The spices! Spiceborn. Mix all this up real quick. Then we'll start the Instapot and check this out in about 1 hour. Make sure it's sealed. Put it on manual mode. And bring this up to 60 minutes. All right, so it's depressurized. Let's see what we have inside. Wow. This smells absolutely incredible. Don't want to burn the mouth, but I'm getting pretty hungry. All right, guys, leg of lamb curry. Oh my God. If you have an Instapot, which you need to get an Instapot if you don't, go get a leg of lamb, make it into curry. This is absolutely, look how tender that, tender, delicious. curried perfection. Guys, welcome to the channel, Cooking with Bruce. I appreciate y'all watching again. See you guys in the next show. Like and comment. And while you're at it, subscribe. Instapot.